even if we fix the processes, fix the process failures, the misalignment in the company, if the underlying data is inaccurate, then the whole project will fail, correct?
I often said that data migration, cleansing, and preparation of data is like a separate project within the project. It's actually a project killer. If you go through the system that are available, even a single spreadsheet is a framework. It works well, it has functions, it has everything. But if your data inside the spreadsheet is bad data, you cannot rely on anything to work as you want. And if you scale up that spreadsheet to a bigger system, the problem becomes much bigger now, because all the bad data is going to produce bad results. And there is something more about the data cleansing, and that is data governance. So there is a critical data that needs to be executed for compliance and while communicating with customers and your vendors. But there is another part of this. Someone has to maintain that data. Someone has to be responsible for the quality of the data, not only after the project, but even before that. You need to have a person responsible for the quality of single piece of data.
So what would be your process to tackle this data quality crisis?
Mm-hmm. We start this very early in the project. Essentially within the first 1 or 2 weeks, when we start discovery phase, and we need to jumpstart this mini project inside the project. Because people need to think about what data they are going to migrate or to put into the new system. So we are quite proactive on this. We don't react to the side effects of bad data. We need the data to be following a process and to ensure that only the clean data will pass through the system. And there is a step that we often take, that we collect, we call it golden data, but that's essentially 10 to 20 lines of each object that the customer uses every day. So within that data, they will learn the new system a bit faster and a bit better, because they are going to see their own data in the new system. And this way, the transition between systems and between screens is actually easier.